I would like to show you today my typical day working as a remote assistant for a client that is also based in Australia, and also how I operate my virtual agency business here in Melbourne, Australia. When my little one is still asleep, I already set up my home office. I use a standing desk. It improves my posture, it improves my mood, and gives me energy for the day. At kapag may araw, I open the windows para sa aking mga baby plants. Pag maaga naman, nagising si Bunso, so I prepare his breakfast. I usually give him Cocoa Pops, but sometimes peanut butter sandwich ang gusto niya. Kapag naman late ang gising ni Bunso, I go down and start my work already at the dining table, have my breakfast. So lulubos-lubusin ko na yung oras na tulog pa siya. While having breakfast, I check my emails and reply to urgent ones. Ayan, kapag gising na ang aking mga older kids, medyo relieved na ako because meron akong katuwang to look after Bunso. Kasama rin syempre ang aming dog na si Jake. Syempre, escape na ako sa dining table. Work na ako agad. Sinisingit ko na rin ang aking pag-photoshoot at saka pag-video para sa aking vlog. Yan, arte-arte lang. Oops, may pumasok ng aking opisina. So, minsan nandyan siya, minsan lumalabas at naglalaro. Pero madalas, maingay at umiiyak. At tuloy pa rin ang trabaho. Siyempre, sometimes I talk to the clients and sometimes nag-interview ako ng candidates. So it's break time for me. When the weather is nice like this, we go out and enjoy the sun. You watch the flowers as well. They're blooming now. Flexible, depende sa requirements eh. So I really have a good network of recruiters in the Philippines, and that's why, you know, I got into this business. It is nighttime now here in Melbourne, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wrap up everything and send some messages or email to my assistant who is based in the Philippines. Regarding all the things that I want her done the following day, and I won't promise that I won't be working when I'm already in my bedroom. I always check my emails on my phone, and if there's a need for me to get anything from my laptop, like an important document that is saved there and I need to send it to a client, then I have to open my laptop. So I always take the laptop with me in my bedroom, and I have a small desk beside my bed so I can use the laptop.
Hi, my name is Mary and I'm a virtual assistant. I got a sourcing job through Maya Davis. She has been very helpful in helping me find a great client. I remember reaching out to her when there wasn't even an opportunity for me yet. But she made sure that she will be able to place me with a client, and she was with me through the process. She gave me options and helped me weigh my options. So soon enough, I landed a job with a great company in Sydney. So I've been with the company for around 2 years, and since then, Maya has been there for me. She would send me tips or suggest online tools to make our jobs easier. She would check up on us to see how we're doing, and she would even send us gifts during the holidays. So if you are a business owner looking for a virtual assistant or a virtual assistant looking for a great client, I highly recommend Maya Davis.